My life be like, yeah. My life be like.
Hello, and welcome to Fox Gadget. If you've ever wondered how to make your life easier, funnier, or just plain cooler, get ready, because today we bring you 9 gadgets you're going to want to own. From inventions that you would never have imagined, to tools so practical that will make you say, "How did I not know this existed before?" This is the perfect video to discover those tech gadgets that will make your routine that much more epic. So, adjust your seat well, because what you're about to see will probably end up straight in your shopping cart. Let's get started. Mesoglobe Liquid. Have you ever seen something so simple, yet so mesmerizing that you can't take your eyes off it? That's exactly what the Mesoglobe Liquid does. A little kinetic work of art that turns every turn into a visual spectacle worthy of applause. With a simple touch, this gadget creates fluid and mesmerizing motion effects, as if the pixels were melting in a liquid dance. Precision crafted from aerospace-grade aluminum, its hand-polished surface shines like a mirror, while its perfectly balanced design ensures a smooth, quiet spin that won't disturb even the fussiest coworker. Ideal for relieving stress, improving concentration, or simply losing yourself in its visual magic during the most tedious hours of the day. Wowstick First Floor. Have you ever been faced with those tiny screws that seem to have a life of their own and disappear at the most important moments? Well, say goodbye to that stress with the Wowstick 1F+, a mini electric screwdriver designed for those who love tidiness and efficiency. With a sleek and portable pen-shaped design, this gadget is made of S2 aluminum alloy and combines style with functionality. It includes 56 precision tips, making it an all-rounder for any repair task, whether it's adjusting glasses, fixing electronic gadgets, or building small projects. The Wowstick 1F+ is not only efficient, it's also futuristic. It features 3 shadowless LED lights, which perfectly illuminate the work area, and a magnetic board that secures screws so you don't have to look under the table for them. As for the battery, this little giant features a rechargeable lithium-ion battery that offers up to 8 hours of continuous use and a 180-day standby endurance. In addition, it combines automatic and manual operation to ensure maximum accuracy and speed. This gadget is priced at $50. KeySmart. Tired of the annoying noise of keys jingling in your pocket? With KeySmart, the compact keyring organizer, you can say goodbye to clutter and welcome practicality. Designed to simplify your daily carry, this organizer turns your key set into a stylish and functional accessory. Holding up to 8 keys, the KeySmart Flex features a slim, ergonomic design, similar to the size of a pack of gum, making it perfect for slipping into your pocket without hassle. Plus, it includes a convenient car key ring, ensuring that all your keys and accessories are in one place. Need more space? Expandable accessories allow you to customize the KeySmart to your needs, from small tools to USB flash drives. It's the ideal gadget for those looking for organization, style, and convenience in their daily lives. Cinema Formovi Edge 4K. The Cinema Formovi Edge 4K redefines what it means to enjoy home theater with a high-quality, ultra-short-throw laser projector. While not the cheapest, it offers a more affordable option within its category, without sacrificing impressive performance in 4K resolution. While its brightness is a bit lower, and it doesn't feature Dolby Vision like the PX2 PRO, it's still an excellent choice for those looking for an immersive viewing experience. Compatible with HDR10 and HLG HDR, it ensures vivid colors and stunning detail in every scene. With built-in Google TV, you'll have access to your favorite streaming platforms, and its native Netflix app ensures hours of hassle-free entertainment. The Cinema Edge is designed to project 16:9 images up to 150 inches, ideal for transforming any family room into a movie theater. During testing with a 130-inch screen, the focus remained flawless from edge to edge, ensuring top-notch visual quality. This cinema can be had for as low as $1,800. Scarper EBike. Do you love gravel or off-road cycling, but sometimes need an extra boost? The Scarper EBike is the ideal solution. This innovative electric bike propulsion system transforms your conventional bike into a high-performance machine while retaining the natural handling and familiarity of your old bike. Rugged and adaptable, the Scarper is IP55 certified, making it water and shock resistant, ensuring optimal performance even in adverse conditions. Its smart design allows it to be activated or disassembled with a single click, eliminating the need for complicated wheel changes, messy cables, or complex configurations. The Scarper not only stands out for its functionality, but also for its lightness and flexibility, outperforming traditional electric bikes with its compact and efficient design. It's perfect for off-road rides or any type of terrain, giving you an electric boost when you need it, without sacrificing the versatility and agility of your favorite bike. Plus, it's a more economical and practical option over bulky electric bikes. With the Scarper EBike, you'll experience the freedom to explore any road with extra power and total comfort. This gadget can be yours, starting at £1,500 or $1,800. The Waylux Z5. The Waylux Z5 is the perfect laser engraving and cutting machine for those looking for precision, versatility, and portability in a single device. Equipped with a 5-watt dual light source, this compact device can work with almost any material, from wood, leather, and plastic to metal and glass, turning your DIY ideas into unique and professional creations. Designed with convenience and accessibility in mind, the Waylux Z5 combines the power of traditional laser machines with a compact and portable design, ideal for use at home or to take with you wherever you need it. Its all-metal structure not only guarantees durability, but also provides stability for accurate and consistent results in every engraving or cut. Thanks to its user-friendly and easy-to-use interface, this machine is suitable for beginners and experts alike, allowing the whole family to participate in creative projects. Whether you're looking to personalize gifts, design unique art pieces, or start your own personalization business, the Waylux Z5 is the ideal tool to unleash your creativity. Digital voice recorder. Fed up with forgetting important details of your meetings, conferences, or that great idea you came up with while making coffee? Worry no more. The Shihama 64GB digital voice recorder has arrived to save the day and your recordings. This small but mighty gadget is here to make your life a whole lot easier and, incidentally, prevent you from ending up writing notes on napkins. With marathon-worthy endurance, this recorder holds up to 30 continuous hours of recording on a single charge. And if you run out of battery, don't worry. It automatically saves what you were recording before it shuts off. Plus, with 64 gigabytes of memory, you can store up to 20,000 songs or hundreds of hours of audio. Yes, that's more space than you probably need. The best part? It has a voice-activated mode that only records when it detects sound. No endless recordings filled with silence or the background noise of your neighbor watching soap operas. And if you like to play with time, you can adjust the playback speed or repeat your favorite parts with its A/B repeat function. Oh, and for the techies, you can also record directly from devices using its line-in cable. Bloom. Who said health couldn't grow at home? Bloom lets you turn your kitchen into a mini superfood lab, growing fresh spirulina right on your countertop. This sleek device, which looks like a futuristic water pitcher, is not only an attractive gadget, but also a daily source of mega nutrition. Holding 1.5 liters of culture, Bloom produces full 5-gram servings of fresh spirulina per day, considered one of the most nutrient-rich foods on the planet. It's like having a natural multivitamin growing right next to you. Its smart design includes a handle and docking features that make scooping as easy as pouring yourself a glass of water. Plus, a clear window lets you spy on how your spirulina grows, making the process as educational as it is fascinating. Harvesting your spirulina is quick and easy. Just drain the culture and add the spirulina to a glass of water, a smoothie, or any recipe that needs an extra boost of protein and vitamins. Plus, its minimalist design fits perfectly in any kitchen, so you'll have health at your fingertips without sacrificing style. With Bloom, cultivate freshness, nourish your body, and marvel at the magic of microalgae, all from the comfort of your home. Ready for that daily boost of energy and wellness? And well, friends, with this amazing invention, we have reached the end of this video. Remember to subscribe if you have not done so, and see you in the next video. Best regards.